Alright, this is going to be a fun one. Alright, this is going to be a repair video on a Gallagher M1000. This unit, someone's tried getting into it, but since they didn't have the tool to get it apart, they tried to just pry it on the case to break it apart, and they didn't. They did not luck out doing that either. But there's a bunch of stuff rolling around the inside. Probably got hit by lightning or something, or when they were jacking around with it, maybe they broke something on the inside. I don't know. But yeah, let's take a shake this thing. Oh yeah, that's what we like. All right, let's well, it sounds like a mess. You see the whoever owns it tried to pry it apart with a screwdriver on both sides, and they didn't luck out there because screws are still in it. Let's take a special bit to pull these screws out. All right, let's open it up to see the carnage. Grab right here, front, back, pull this. Ooh. Oh, wow. Woo! That's a putrid smell to almost taste it. There's a lightning rod. It's supposed to be copper, and it's got that green crap all over it, so that's junk. Capacitor. What a mess. Man, it stunk. Man, sour, putrid taste. Hopefully this display board's not bad. And that broke off the board. This is that went right there. This board's a mess. Alright, luckily we're just going to put a new board kit in the thing and call it done. Let's take this over to the trash can and dump this crap out. Okay, well, hoping that this board's okay. I don't know if I've got one of those. Let's turn this knob, or not knob, this little piece here. It's supposed to have this little prong on it there, and that's all boogered up too. So we're just gonna place that. Just pull these bolts out with the knobs, and we'll look at the front of them. Well, ground side's nice. That's real clean. So we will clean that end up on that one. That's a little burnt spot there, but that's not bad. All right, let's find a couple of those little terminal things. I don't remember what to call them. Anyways, look over here. I mean, you got to press and hold the button, and then turn it left to loosen it.
Okay.
I gotta find little terminal bolt holders. Oh, man, I didn't have any. Well, nut drawer. Not that one. Nothing there. Well, oh, here we go. Here. Nope. Shoot. Well, alright, let me do some digging here. I can't find little connector things right up top of my head. Alright, right quick right here. Alright, found some. Yeah. Alright, let's get our little Dremel. Phew. Those are a mess. Alright. Alright. Oh. Test this real quick, but I imagine we're gonna throw it away. It should be 25. The new one's gonna have to be a 30, but see the read now it's 12. Alright, that's junk. I'm gonna install a new kit. New board. Transformer, new capacitor. Is that lightning rod down there arcing?
Yeah.
Just get rid of it. cut these spades off because they're all ate up. Who you talking about? Oh. I didn't think he did that on purpose. I thought it was just a combination of bad medications. That's what.
Bad medicine. Eat bad medicine.
I remember his brother.
What was his name?
Reed. I remember that you can hear the 911 call, and his older brother was one calling, crying and yelling. Sounded just like his dad.
Really?
Yeah, sounded really close to his dad's voice.
Richard. What was his name after? Must have been Richard Reed.
Oh, his middle name was Reed.
10 years.
Huh?
Almost 10 years.
Wow.
10 years next year.
Wow.
Be 35. He's
How old would he be? 30?
He was 25 in 2013. He's not born 80.
So he'd be 35, almost 35. He'd be about my age.
Well, he'd be 35 next year.
Yeah, 34. Yeah. I guess he.
Heart attack due to drug overdose. 6'3", 215. Wasn't that small? He was trained by Ricky Flair, Holly Race, George South. He used to wrestle with Red Rooster Taylor.
Oh yeah. Well, let's put this cover back on temporarily. I'll screw it together here in a minute if everything's working right. Now let's hope like hell that this display is good.
The drug overdose of heroin traces 2 prescription tranquilizers. Claustrophobia? No, chlor something. No.
Heroin?
Yep.
Wow.
Which contributed to his death. 2015
There it is.
64 Survivor Series. Reed's sister, Charlotte, which is probably not her name.
It's not. It's Ashley.
Signed a contract to face she claims she was doing this for Reed as a tribute to him.
Yeah.
Drug use. They was being negative by saying that your little baby brother didn't have much fight in him, did he?
Yeah.
Later rumored that WWE had not asked for permission from the Flair family to reference Reed's death, and had given no prior warning to his parents. Although this is the angle was voted by the National Wrestling League as the most disgusting emotional tragedy of 2015.
Shit.
He was the youngest of 2 siblings. He was a half-sister of Megan, a half-brother David, and a sister Trashley.
What's your name? Trashley.
Baby, Kenzie was.
Huh?
His favorite band is Guns and Roses.
Oh.
He was arrested on 7 for assault and battery. And then let's see, going all night, arrested for driving while impaired. He was arrested again on 9, same fucking year after crashing his car. They found black after he crashed and
Fit.
black tar heroin inside his car.
Black tar heroin.
And he faced felony charge with driving while impaired, driving into the boat, possession of drug tests, paranormal paraphernalia, and if released. During the 30 for 30 special, Triple H revealed that Flair wanted to sign a development contract
Oh, for Reed.
with, but failed 2 drug tests, the second one being announced and actually missed the first test. Rick, in denial of the same problems, so Triple H said he thought Flair had gotten a supplement from Union City. Kitty Cat faces son that used to work there as it's full of himself, instead of being honest with himself. And Flair's real problem. Rick later admitted during the 30-30 special that he felt that he may have been a best friend to Reed at times, and Reed would have been better served acting as his father. Stupid. So that's just terrible there.
Who?
Charlotte Flair from 2019. He's 36.
She's 36.
She's the same age as Chris, just born a few months earlier.
Mm.
She's been married twice.
Alright, this one's done, ready to go.
David
Then we'll
Richard.
call the customer up and give them a quote. I'm sure they'll fix it. $550 for a new one. M1000. These ones aren't too bad to fix. Even that with installing all them boards in there is not too bad. Alright, till next time. See you later.